These are men and women of the Nigerian Union of Pensioners in Imo State. They are on the streets of Owerri in their numbers, carrying placards with several inscriptions. They are protesting the non-payment of pension arrears by the state government. They're also kicking against a document which they claim the government wants them to sign before owed sums are paid. The protesters are calling for all pending arrears to be paid in full without further delay.
The civil pensioners were paid last on January 2015. As at December 2016, civil pensioners are owed 22 months. Local government pensioners are owed 23 months. Retired primary school teachers are owed 32 months. IBC pensioners are owed 43 months. Permanent secretaries are owed 22 months. Alpha and Eco retirees are owed 77 months. Since 1998 till now, no retired pensioner in Imo State has received the gratuity.
Government to withdraw that obnoxious letter one and pay our pensions 100%, no cover out of it, and also our gratuity, because we know that this government was given 26.608 billion naira last time to pay arrears of pensions.